Hey there, Boots Owen here. I've got this ash in my back garden. It's mostly ash, there's a tiny bit of sycamore through it, but the big bits in front of you are ash. It was felled last, I think, summer, the end of last summer. They told me 6 months, but I'd say end of last summer. Maybe it had leaves on it, maybe it didn't. I don't think it was into autumn yet. I don't think the sap had fallen. Is that important? I don't know. Have a look on here. You'll see little piles of dust all over this log and other logs. Not all of them had it. Actually, there's a bit of willow under there. That's a bit of willow. Not all of them have it, but a lot of them do. Let's get right in close. So let's see what I can do here. If I blow it off, it's dust, and underneath there's a hole. You can see the bark is still green and quite fresh. That's what I thought was weird, because this is not seasoned. It's ash, so it would burn straight away, maybe. There's a little hole there. Let's see. Follow it along. And there's a little fellow, and in there, he's alive. And he's, I would say, still burrowing, maybe. There's one in each of the holes. They haven't left yet. See this fellow? So what would I make him? 6 millimeters long? I'd say. Is he still trying to eat? What do you think? Let's change the focus again on this. That's a bit better, is it? I think he's sorry I disrupted his breakfast. So he was at the end of a hole that's about ½ an inch long, maybe, working through the bark to what can only be the sapwood, or the, is he on the cambium layer? I don't know. I'll dig another one and see. Let's leave him there. I thought I had one here. No, it's not right. This one, there's one. That guy's right near the surface. No, is he? Is there two in this hole? Let's see. Maybe there's a little. There's one leaving, or one at the back, and one inside, still munching. So this one does have some kind of wings on it. This one, yeah, right down at the layer of wood. I've bludgeoned them with my chisel. Try and get another one. And so this one here, if you can see, right up in the back, I just saw one walking in as I started digging. And that hole continues. No, that's the end. So yeah, it's on the layer of sapwood. The other fellow's still munching over here. So that's the one I just dug up. He seems to have gone into a state of deep sleep. Gone. This guy is a little trooper. He's number one there that we picked up. You tell me if you know anything about these fellows. Bit of excavation there. So, where were we? Weather. Felled about 6 months, I'd say maybe 8 months ago. Left over winter. The tree had one section that definitely had woodworm. I'll show you that, it's just down here. So there was a cut, damage to the bark, and that section you can see has woodworm, old woodworm dots on it. So the tree had worm, that's in a deeper layer, because that's about 10 years in, I would say, when that damage was done. The last few days I haven't noticed any of this, but you can see the little piles of dust down there. So it rained 2 days ago, there was no dust. This morning, went to cut the timber, cut the firewood. It's covered in dust. Well, little piles of dust. But there's one log standing up on end and it had dust all around it, the bottom section of the trunk. I noticed just because there was this halo of dust. This has only appeared in the last few days. You tell me what you think. What are these beetles? And in terms of storing the wood, you know, woodworm exists everywhere. So it depends on the conditions for the beetles to eat it. It might be damp enough for them to live there now, but as it seasons it might not be. I don't know. And so here's another look at the piece of split wood. What would you say that hole is? 2 to 3 mil, I would say. You're getting up on 8 mil of bark. There you go. And it's quite moist, like the timber's still wet. You could see the seasoning or the drying out's only come in about ½ an inch there on the end. So there, little borers. Hopefully they don't eat all the wood. It's a few days later and I've turned all of these pieces of wood into logs. I'm just looking at them now. You can see, come on, you focus, will ya? All over them are these little fellows. They're difficult to show up against the background. So there's one on one log. There's one over here, and I don't know if they all decided to come out. I can't see any more now. There's one of the holes that we identified before. I was sitting here looking at them, and you can find quite a few if your eye just gets into it. Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you later.